Welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you stopping by. I am Junkman5000, and we, me and you, are on the road to 4,000 subscribers. How many? 4,000 subscribers. First off, thank you. Second off, if you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, do me a favor, smash on that thing. Maybe even hit the like button, and if you're feeling real generous, bing, hit that bell. So, thank you all so much. It was a busy day. Busy enough day. We got a couple of ACs. We brought in some stuff. We got some stuff to sell. Getting ready for the yard sale this week. Check it out. I'll see you on the inside. Hey everybody, welcome back to the show. Happy Monday. So glad you could be with us. Oh, what do we even have to say? Okay, this is what I gotta say. You seen on Saturday, we cleared all this stuff out. Had such a good time. All this stuff was cleared out. Guess what sold on Sunday? These books right there in that green right there. So now I gotta unpack all that stuff so I can get that out. Then I'll bring you back, show you exactly what it is and what it sold for. So see you in a few. Midway point. We're midway there. We can see the light, although there's some sketchiness. There's some sketchy work going on right in this area. So we'll be back. Yeah, so boom. Look at that, it's out. Don't really look like anything moved. I was just saying, how do you move a whole box like that and it still looked the same way as it did when you went in there? Anyway, for people who weren't around when we got these, we've had these a little bit now. Are you gonna open? No, you just locked? Did I somehow lock this? No. Boom. These are all Time Life books. So I had them up for 100. They sold for 75. So I got to get some dates out of these to send to this lady so that she can she wanted to know the date on it, and maybe she's gonna piece it out or something. She's good for her. I ain't got the time, the patience, the money, none of that to do that. So somebody else can, and I can make a little cash off it, and they can make a little cash off it. Sounds good. Let's go. Let's go get it. Time to go. We got a pickup to do. Just got a phone call, so we're gonna go do this pickup, and then we're gonna hit the road. Boom. Chairs. Chairs are us, and aluminum, I believe, because they're pretty light. And look what we got. We got tires. Those are all rimmed up, but the tires are no good on them. I guess they all egged up or something. I don't know. The homeowner was telling me that they're not really any good. So I said, okay, let's go over here. Hey, how you doing? Bed frame. We like it when they got combo deals right next to one another. I didn't clean out the truck today. There's just no time. By the time we got done, then I ran in and did a video. And then I had to look for these Time Life books. I pulled all that stuff apart in the garage, put the garage back together. Well, you guys seen that already. Yeah, it's been a day. Pans, you know what that means. You can call me Pot and Pan Man. I love it. We have so much fun, don't we? Oh, Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Come inside, it's fun inside. I think we can leave this right here. Know what I'm saying? And we'll take this and we will be on our way. Oh, we got those chairs. We were in a bad spot. They look like they're for a boat. I think my father-in-law is gonna want them. All right, this is actually the first stuff we found in here in a while in this neighborhood. Let me be specific. Oh, look at that, an old Singer. I want to get excited about that, but these things just don't sell. I don't know. I haven't had luck selling. Maybe some other people have. Tell me if you've ever had luck selling one of these Singers. Leave it in the comments for me. And if you do, tell me where you sold it. I had that other one that was like a table. That's a nice piece. Alright, look at that thing. Old. The last one I had, I ended up recycling it. They have some of these up for like, with the stand and everything, for like 20 bucks. I don't know. We got a chair. This thing, alright, it's coming with us. Come on down. And we got this lawnmower. So, that's probably gonna sell. My guy probably take that. Alright, let's go. Alright. My father-in-law needs one of these for a seat. So we'll probably take that out so he can get that. He may take these boat seats too. That could be a real thing. NASCAR pinball. What? How y'all doing? Alright, let's put this over here. Move this around. See, these seats, you may want to take these. Look at this big old box full of cord, some aluminum. Then we'll throw this grill on there. I mean, not the craziest load we've ever done, but we're happy to get a little bit. And look at this front stack starting to come along. We moved some stuff around. Little bing, little boom. Well, that's like, well, each one of them that's 32, and the other one today was around 11, so I say, so like 43, 44 bucks right up front there. That's probably gonna sell 30 bucks. So there's 70 right there. How long has that table been there? Has the table been there the whole time? Did you guys see that table? Because I drove up and I didn't see that table. That table been there the whole time? I hope some of you people have fun with this show. It's always interesting. Day in the life. We recorded so much film on the last one. I keep saying film, like it's 1982. We got a lot of footage. It was a lot of footage. All right, how are we gonna do this? Look at us having to make a plan on a front stack. Do a team lift. All right. We don't want to break this. It's not something that we're looking to do. I don't know if that's the best thing that we've ever done, but we got to make room. Wow. Oh, you're so heavy. You're so heavy. Did these panels come out? It's something that goes on with this thing. Look at that. 18 different panels on it. This middle part probably transforms into something. Maybe we could put it right on top of here. And mean, maybe. Upside down. Upside down. Boy, turn me inside out and round and round. Oh, 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 oh. Leave my tire alone. Oh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Alright, it's enough of my silliness. I think this is gonna work. What do you guys think? I just gotta worry about this first part. Team left! Team left! Come on, baby. Come on, baby, let the good times roll. Oh, oh, we got some juice. We got some juice. Never happy when we get the juice. Do-do-do. Look at that. Oh boy. Oh yeah, brother. This is gonna be the longest segment. Alright. No, please don't go backwards. Dude, what are you getting caught up on? What is the problem? Alright. I'm gonna go get into the rest of this pile. If there's anything crazy, look at us shaping it up. Shaping it up, shaping it up. Let's just look. You guys can come with me. There's a light. I'm not taking the rack. Ooh, a little clamp. You like clamps? Chink. Clamp that thing right on there. Maybe some extrudal. Extrude-a-loodle. Oh, nope, I grabbed the wrong thing. Could have swore there was something blue there. Dun 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 dun. Alright, well, I'm gonna let you guys go now. I'm gonna shift through that pile one more time and see you in a little bit. Dang. A lot of brass on that thing. Oh, and a big slug of copper. Oh, and look at that. I need to get back on the shed. Like ASAP. Like ASAP. Alright, I'm gonna roll this up there. What did they do there? What is that? That is like mastic or something. Oh, that is interesting. God bless you. Alright, I will see you guys in a little bit. I gotta get this thing on the truck. Tonight could be shaping up. Pals and pals. Go walk your dog in a stroller. Do 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 do. Nice. Score on the fans. Huge. Huge, huge, huge. Nice. This load could do something. It very well could do something tonight. I thought we were just treading water for a while. Look at us now. Look at us go. We're not even done. We got a couple more on the way in. You're looking all right. We're taking all this stuff, all of it. I'm gonna take all these door handles. Oh man, look at them all. Look at them all, big and small. Just find a place to put all these. It feels empty. All right. I need to get a new taillight. Somebody's gonna have to remind me about that. I actually remembered today. I should have stopped by yesterday because I was right by the auto parts store and I should have just grabbed it and I didn't. Because my brain is tapioca pudding sometimes. Put this thing right here. I think this thing is DB. Yo. Alright, you guys are coming. Come with us. Good there. Alright. These things just keep breaking off. Alright, I think that's it. No, our box. Alright, we'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, everybody, welcome back, and welcome back. Don't know. I don't know. I think this load, if I'm gonna predict, I think this load's gonna get us about $65–70, which for a load this size really isn't. That's not bad at all. The tires are gonna be the saving grace. Right now, we're putting air in the truck. Probably gonna need 2 back tires soon. Might as well just get it over with. Shocks, 2 back tires, that's like another grand. So what, right? So what? What is money? See if my father-in-law wants these. If he doesn't, we're probably gonna bring them home and try to sell them unless there's something wrong with them. Big yard sale coming up this weekend. Big yard sale. All right, well, we'll see you guys at the yard and then we'll go from there. All right, we made it here. Dun dun dun. I think I'm gonna have you guys watch me today. We'll do a little bumper cam. What a professional. Have you ever seen such a professional? Hey, yo, come here.
Oh, they curved it.
Yeah.
Just on one of them, huh?
What could have been?
They put a what?
Said what could have been.
Yeah, after seeing that, you know, that's a very unique color.
Right,
It'd
that's
be
what I'm
hard
saying. To like color match it or...
Yeah, to do touch up. It's a shame.
I'll take my $32 instead of...
After that, yeah.
That I'm gonna keep.
That's for a hitch.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Looks like somebody would invest in that. Dun 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 dun. This goes. Ooh. This goes. All right, me and you need to have a real talk, fella. Me and you have to have a serious talk. Yeah.
What'd you do?
About these handles.
I've had my...
I know that you can't take them as brass.
Take them as...
Okay, you'll take them as something else?
Yeah, it's light ironing.
All right, sweet. There you go. That was a very productive talk we just had.
I wonder if Hondas are 4-lug or 5-lug. I think 4-lug.
A Honda? I have no idea. I've never owned a Honda in my life. Oh, I take that back. I have.
I've had a 91 CRX. I've had 3.
I couldn't even tell you what this thing was. I blew it up in like a week.
I had a CRX.
My first car was a Ford Escort GT with 5 on the floor.
Oh my goodness.
Yes, sir. And I thought I was something special. Let me tell you. Sure. Sure. Dude, I was watching myself on YouTube when I was a kid. When I was like 16, 17 years old.
You had a YouTube channel back then?
No, but it got posted from my old volleyball coach. My old volleyball coach posted it on his. No, they were just in there.
They're always good to have.
I have about 1,000 of those.
Yeah.
But I had no hair.
No hair?
I had complete like skinhead.
What are you doing with that?
I'm giving it to you.
Okay. Still talking to me that way.
That's right.
That's right. Oh, look at the singer.
Is there anything sticky in there?
That's a universal joint. That's steel. That's for your drive shaft.
No. Maybe it's for your drive shaft. Ah! All right. Oh, I got some extrusion. Hold on, we got some more light. We got some more light. Or clean, whatever you want to say. And some extrudals. Oh, maybe some light. Maybe some light.
Is that sticky? Is that sticky?
Oh, I guarantee you it's sticky.
Sticky icky.
Sticky icky.
There's the test.
Uh-oh. Oh, it's not? Good deal. Doop, 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 doop. All right. Well, I guess that's it. Hello? What?
Are you gonna do the singer?
No,
You're keeping that.
I'm gonna try to sell it.
Look at the box.
But I'm telling you, if it don't sell, it's coming right back to you.
Look at that old
That's
box.
what I'm saying. I'm gonna put it all together.
People like that.
People like you.
Well, they like having to box.
I'm just saying, people like you.
True story.
You're a likable kind of guy.
Oh, and Chrissy said it's very hard to deal with it.
I know.
What you said yesterday.
Look, I don't. Why is this cord? What is that about? That's
just underneath.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say, man.
Sayonara.
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 Habraba. All right, I'm back at the house. We are going to unload all this stuff. We ended up keeping the Singer. Goodness, yard sale this weekend. That's what I just keep telling myself. And then all this stuff. Still waiting to hear back from Rusty. But I got to dump all this real quick, and then we are going to go pick up some stuff. See how many AC units there are. And then we got to see if we're going to load up bikes after that. And then we can work until a little bit later. Okay, side of the house is filling up quickly. Look at, we need to get some work done today, that is for sure. So we got a bunch of wire to process, breaking all this stuff down. So all right, first thing we got to do is go get more stuff. Let's go get these ACs. All right, though, there is the pickup. 3 AC units, tree stands, some metal poles and stuff. I have to go pick up some washers and dryers from my neighbor, so I'm going to take this back one off, and I'm going to leave those front 2 off, take this stuff off, go grab them, and then we will be back. We have everything loaded down. We moved we took all the other stuff out. A little piece of copper there, eh? Yeah, a little piece of copper there. All right, and there's the washer and dryer. Let me show you the side real quick. We are now going out to get another washer and dryer, a stove, not a stove, but over the range something, I don't know. We're going to get, I found it on Marketplace. So I was planning on dropping off bikes to Rusty and then picking this thing up. Kill 2 birds with 1 stone, but Rusty is MIA. I didn't hear from him today. So no bikes. So I'm just going to get some water and we are going to be on our way. So I will see you later, and hopefully when we come back we have 2 more washers. I mean, a washer and a dryer and some other stuff on here. This is staying on. This is already starting tonight's run. We're on the way to pick up that stuff, and boom. I'm like, heck yeah. The more we can get in this thing right now, and by right now I mean before tonight, the shorter the night will be. So we'll see how this I know there's definitely a dishwasher coming on here. There is a washer, dryer, dishwasher, and a microwave. Those are all the fun things coming on here next. All right, we're gonna bring this over. This will go on as well. Hopefully we can find some other stuff, because it's a little far where we're going. Of course, you know our luck turns into the busiest street on the planet as soon as we hit it. More stuff to break down. So I don't think this one's going. Looks a little too beat up. But I say that and then things go, so. All right, well, I'll see you guys in a little bit. We are back in the neighborhood. What's good in the neighborhood? Oh, there's that smell, whatever that is. That's what smells. Whatever that skunk powder is on the floor, that's what's doing it. Remember from the other episode when I was like, oh, something stinks? Yep, that's it. All right, so boom. We got these 2 washers and dryers. They said they both work. So that's good by me. That's all I need to hear. throw these right up here, right over to the top. We'll end up throwing another strap on them. Actually, I'll push this one over. All right, well, we're gonna be wrapping this thing up. It's already past 3:30, so that is gonna be a good old-fashioned day. So we will see you. We'll go over the ticket. Let's go. All right, everybody, that is the end of the ticket. We're gonna shut it down. Let's go into the ticket. Dun, dun, dun. Tin, 500 pounds. Wheels, aluminum with tire, 4 of them for 80 pounds. Aluminum wheels, 18 pounds. Irony all light, 50 pounds. Half a battery, 10 pounds. Clean aluminum, 2 pounds. Extrusion, 2 pounds. 662 pounds on the day. Camera went ahead and died on me there. For $94.79. 662 pounds for $94.79. Then we went out and picked up 3 ACs. There was some copper. There was an interior units. Then we just went back out and we picked up 2 more washing machines. We got a lawnmower on the way, and then we got some stuff at that last stop too. So overall, very productive day. Very, very productive. Let's get to your quote of the day. I have no idea when we're gonna break everything down this week. Tomorrow we're gonna dump first thing in the morning, head over to C&D, get the truck done. I ordered 2 more tires as well. The back tires aren't looking good, so I'm just over it. Putting 2 tires on the back, getting the shocks fixed, and then hopefully I don't have to touch this truck for like at least 2 months, 3 months maybe. That would be great. Rusty said Thursday, so Thursday we're gonna go over there. We're gonna pick up at C&D tomorrow as well. So just the busy week continues to roll on. Roll on. Confidence comes not from always being right, but from not fearing to be wrong. I like that one. I like that one because you gotta try. That's what experience is, you know? Experience is being wrong. Going out there and just giving it your best. You're gonna be wrong. That's what's gonna make you better. Don't be afraid to be wrong. Look, I was wrong for like a year. I'm not breaking stuff down. We obviously make more money if I'm breaking more stuff down, but I had to go through it. I had to try it for myself to see what is better. So, and that's growth. So hopefully I'm still growing, you know? Who knows? I may find a better way to do it, you know? Hopefully I do. This way's a little tiring. But I'm kidding. But yeah, it's all about, you know, just putting it out there and giving it your best shot. Don't worry about being wrong, you know? It's part of showing that you're giving an effort is being wrong. So anyway, that's my little half rant for the day. If you would, check us out on all of our social media. We are Junkman5000 everywhere except Twitter. There we are, the Junkman5000. Somebody has my name already. Can you believe it? Can you even believe it? Or you can write us a letter, Junkman5000, P.O.Box 414, Christmas, Florida, 32709. If you send me a letter, tell me where you're from. 1, we'll put a pin up on the board. And 2, I'll send you back a sticker. How about that? I haven't done my second sticker run. There's 3 or 4 people, just so you know. We're gonna mail them all out at one time, maybe over the weekend, something like that. So sticker run is coming up soon. Or you can check us out directly at the website, junkman5000.com. Or you can email me, Mike at junkman5000.com. Boom. How about that? But that's really about it. Check out everybody who we know. Look down in the comments. All the scrappers down there. Go check them all out. Everybody needs a little help. Everybody, including myself. So if you can, it's a wonderful community, and we like to support them however we can. So if you're a scrapper, drop your name down in the comments so people can look at you and say, hey, maybe I can check out their programming. So That's a whole day. We've done it all. You've come with us. You've done it all with us. So tomorrow, hopefully, we already got a good start on today. I'm gonna take a picture, see if my guy wants these washing machines, which I think he will. Get this stack moved around a little bit, and I think we're gonna be all right. I think we're gonna put in a good load for tomorrow. So before we get to 5 minutes of me just jibber jabbering on, I'd just like to say thank you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for all the support. You know, we really appreciate it. You guys are definitely the best. So hope you all having a great day. Always remember, there is no us without you. Team lift is more than just physical. So if you can help somebody out today, we greatly encourage you to do that. You guys help me out on the daily, but you already know that. So y'all have a great day. Happy Wednesday. You're watching this on Wednesday. I hope it's good Wednesday for you. Don't worry about all that hump day stuff. We're getting over the hump to really conquer the rest of the week. That's what I like to think. So y'all have a great day. We will see you on the next episode. Goodbye.